Okay, if you love big, sexy, voluminous bombshell hair like I do, and honestly, who doesn't love it? You guys have to get your hands on this Color Wow Volumizing VIPs kit that has just come out. It's on the website right now on colorwowhair.com. It has all of their viral best-selling volumizing products, plus the shampoo and the Money Mist, which is also insanely amazing for detangling, gloss, hydrating, strengthening. And it has the Razor Root, which has gone viral a million times, and the Xtra Large Bombshell Volumizer for soft, touchable, long-lasting volume. Literally, I did my hair in the morning. This is the end of the workday, and my hair is huge. And I have no layers to my hair. I have heavy, long hair, and I have no layers. And it's shiny and touchable, soft. I mean, literally, this is the perfect gift for people this holiday season if you know they love volume, or it's a gift for yourself to look amazing at all the holiday parties. Guys, grab this while you can. This volumizing kit, we had a similar version last year, sold out so quickly. Get your hands on this now while you can.